guys, Raccoon Alarms here, and this will be a collection video. This will be my collection as of 2023, or the end of 2023. But, I did acquire, like, 4 more alarms since the last system test, so you guys get to figure out what the new alarms are. So, starting off right here, I got 2 new pull stations, but this is a Firelight BG10 hex lock. Pretty satisfying pull, if you ask me. The back's not closed, but my Firelight BG12, older cover on the front, but the back is newer. Yeah, there's the terminals and then switch. Here, this is my notifier BNG1, the single action version of the LNG1R. But yeah, the label's very decrepit. Also, pigtail version. Right here is my Federal Signal 4050001P pigtail version. I also have the papers for this, but it's pretty cool. Right here is my Faraday F1 GT pull station. Here's the terminals on the back and the button. Same buttons, by the way, that the most of the 4251s and 2099s use. Right here is my 4251 201 pull station. The original pull station had a chevron button on the inside, but me being me, I broke it, and I'll forever hate myself for it because it's really rare. Here is my 2099 9796 brake glass pull station, and used to be MapNet addressable, but I converted it to conventional so I can work on my 4004. Right here is my second new pull station. This is my 425152 brake glass, not two-stage, but has the key switch on the inside and the tamper switch. So I'm gonna be messing around with that. Also, the handle on the inside is filled in like this, not concave. This is my 425120 with a concave handle. Here's the back of it. Yes, it has a resistor in it. There's a button. Like I said, it's the same as in the Faraday F1 GT, except the one on the inside's black instead of white, like the 4251s. But right here is my 4903 9219, and don't ask why I cut the jumpers on it. But anyways, right here is my 4903 9202. It's the first generation mechanism for the 4903s, and I hate this design so much because it's horrible to wire. And right here is my 4906 9127 SmartSync True Alert. It's multi-candela too. Right here is my 4904 9332 strobe only, and 75 candela. Pretty nice. This is my 4903 9101 strobe plate, which I believe is between 1 and 4 candela brightness. But it's pretty bright though for a non-ADA strobe plate. Right here is my Gentex, well, no, it's the Gentex strobe on it, but it's a Simplex 4903 9501. I believe this is 110 candela, but there's the wires on the back. I'll show you the wires on the other one. Here we go. Whoever took it out or uninstalled it off of the system it was on cut the wires weirdly. But this one it's like a crossbreed between the Gentex and the 4903 9101 strobe plates. I just call it their baby. But it's a pretty cool strobe plate. I like putting my mechanical horns on it, definitely. This right here is my ADT B3407 Vibertone, and rated for 18 to 31 volts DC. It's the back of that. Yep. Right here, it's my 2901 9833. It came with the hybrid strobe plate that I have. It's a pretty good alarm. It's really loud. Actually, this is the loudest Vibratone / mechanical horn I have. This. But I don't know how it holds up against my 4050. Yeah. Never heard this little goober go off, but I'm pretty sure it's loud because it's just loud even tapping on it. As you guys can see, one of my many 9838s. I have 2 silver sounder plate ones. Yep. I'll show you the label on the back of this one as well. Yes, I changed the screws on it. Don't kill me. And I don't know what that is. Get off of there. But yeah, there's the back of this one. That's sideways. That's cursed. Anyways, this is my one of my black sounder plate 9838s. I got this one new in box from some website. Don't remember the name of it. But yeah, pretty standard. I completely screwed this one up by keeping it high pitch all the time, so now it sounds like a 9806 or the B3407, which you can hear. This is my Goofy Gardner Mass 9838 with the 9833 terminals that broke because I tightened the screw too tight. But this one sounds exactly like my 9833, which I think it's pretty funny. I'll start down here. This is my new Wheelock EHS EL1. Sadly, the horn does not work. It works, but it's really, really quiet, and I'm trying to fix it. Right here is my EST G1RF strobe. Genesis, no. This is my only Gentex Commander 3. It's a strobe only, but still a pretty good alarm, even though this smells like burnt plastic all the time. Right here is my first generation Wheelock AS. Yes, the mounting bracket is stripped, so I can't use a screw on it, sadly, but it's pretty cool. There's the back of it. Okay, fix yourself, camera. Okay, right here is a regular Wheelock AS, the second generation. Over here, System Sensor SR, go, and System Sensor P2RL. Horn strobe, really loud. Right here, Goofy fake Spectre alert. I lost the jumper to it, but it's the 104-1. Yeah, it's my entire collection. Thank you guys for watching.